intro there, Gomer.
Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original country band Jamboree, featuring a bit of Americana, our musical heritage of the past. And right now, I give you a sorted assortment of executioners of music and song, the Five Bear Runs. Hit it, boys! Sinking Sam Tim, the friend of our new Tennessee. Sam's playing on banjo and a tambourine with his feet, while banging on the dish pan with a bit of country beat. Sam's on the fiddle with a crooked picnic ball. When the spinner moves that cool, he can let that fiddle go. Ted's on the car jump out in that American blow. He also plays the washboard with a halo. And Benjamin's played my part, he played it out of sight. He never took a lesson, he just fixed it up from there. And little Tennessee band is featured on the line. It sounds just like a guitar, but it's only got one string. Smoking feet, try to keep that good. Watch your finger, bear while it's real country And now, a heart-rendering ditty by our old ground of song, Little Lips McGraw, sing it back.
I've got a woman, she's got me. Whatever we do, we both agree. She ain't pretty, but I ain't too. The things we like and the things we do. A woman ain't pretty, but she don't swear none. She's kinda heavy, don't weigh a ton. She's my woman through and through. I love her only 'cause her heart is true.
Mama don't whoop little Buford. Mama don't pound on his head. Mama don't whoop little Buford. I think you should shoot him instead.
Right. Yes, folks, we only have high-class stuff on this show. And now, here's a special treat out of Tampa. Our own Trixie.
Tears will be the chaser for your wine. After you leave this love of mine, bright lights and taverns, that's where you'll spend your time, and tears will
gone? And how long will my baby be gone?
Now here they come. Those little sunbonnets from the Sunshine State. Funny, Bubbles, and Beulah.
Every time I meet a guy who gets me shook, all I ever get from him is a dirty look. It's the same way everywhere I found. All the guys turn me on, turn me down. All the guys turn me on, turn me down. Nothing works for me that I found. It's the same way everywhere I see. Nothing ever seems to work for me.
My, there she is, that little light. Yeah, dedicated and devoted daughter of the Dakotas. Last of the big time swingers. Swinging Teddy Barry.
Well, there he goes, he hardly knows the heart he's breaking.
Lovely, lovely.
I talked to him, but I don't think he understood.
Sing it down.
Oh, just forget about the plans that we were making. Or we did all that we could.
Y'all come up and see sometime. You hear?
Yeah, as soon as I find a ladder, I'll be right up. On the mountaintop of Tennessee, greenest light in the land of the free. Lights in the woods, so to you every tree. Timed him a bar, he was only three. Davy, Davy Crockett, king of the wild frontier. All through the woods he's marching along, lighting up yards and singing a song. It's a bird fight day. Well, as you can see, we're just one big happy family. Well, folks, this concludes our show. So thanks for bearing with us to the bare end. What do you say, Sammy?
I say, y'all come back, you hear?
We hope that you'll be coming back again. And coming to see us now and then. We've done our very best, please, with just barely 6 days. We hope that you'll be coming back again. Come again, make your turn. Come again, every time. The wealth of
Come see if you was fun.
We hope that you'll be coming back again.
Don't forget to gather your belongings.
And your husband too. It's been good to have. So long, folks.
Stop paying full price for your family vacation and visit Undercover Tours today.